How to write a business plan for your wind energy consulting and installation business? The answer is simple. Use an AI business planning tool. Before AI, you would do your marketing competition analysis, define your products and services, your sales, marketing, and operation plans. Then you open up an Excel, write 1,000 formulas to create your financial model. Only then you can start writing, polishing, and formatting your business plan. This would usually take between a week and a month. And to be honest, it's quite a boring process. Today with AI, you can have your business plan ready faster, in a better quality, and it's actually fun. It's faster because you can have your plan ready in the next 30 minutes. Not days, not weeks, minutes or hours. It's better quality because AI guides you through the planning process to make sure you don't miss anything important. It suggests improvements and it writes your plan in a perfect language and format. And it's actually fun because it's an interactive experience. So instead of listening to me for the next 1 hour telling you how to write a business plan for your wind energy consulting installation, go to modeliks.com right now and have your plan ready in the next hour. Enjoy planning, and for more information, look at the description of this video.